Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make this easy but gorgeous and contemporary Christmas arrangement. It is so simple, anyone can do it. So let's get started. All right, here's the items that you'll need. You need noble, cedar, and you will need white flock birch. I use large, even though the bucket said small. You'll just need a Christmas stem, floral stem, and you would need snippers. So, hello. Say hi to you guys, and I'm getting started. So what I do first is I'm going to open up the birch. And yes, it was large. And at first I was going to take it I can't talk. I was going to take it apart, but then I realized, you know what? Let me keep it together, because the way that they flocked it, it was all like kind of stuck together. And I'm like, you know what? I think what I want to do is make it more contemporary, where everything is just around. Now, what I would have done different, and I wish I had, I should have put that white, snowflakes at the bottom. And that is one thing that I wish I would have gotten, and I didn't think about it. But if you would have, I would have put white snowflakes at the bottom of the vase, so that, it would be more clean. Or you can even probably put like those little small Christmas bulbs. That would also be great. So now I'm going to take the cedar, and I'm just going to strip it, because I don't need, now this would be great if you were doing like a garland, but all I'm really doing is I need the stem stripped. So I just cut along the stem all the extra, like I guess you would call petals, I don't know, branches, I don't know, the smaller branches along the stem. And then I'm just going to tuck it in front. Now, look, I have to check and make sure what I'm about to do is working right. So that's always why it's so hard to design and do it on camera, because you got to look and see what it's kind of looking like. So again, I'm just going to go down the sides and clip, and to strip it, so that the branches, the smaller branches on that large branch, will create a stem. So I'm just going to put in, I think I put 4 or 5. I wanted to kind of make it go around the arrangement, and that's basically what I do for this. going to come in with the Noble, and I am again cutting. I'm going to try to cut. Well, this one I think I can pull down. You know what? I was like, you can't even pull it down like you're supposed to. I did just a little bit, try to take a little bit off so I can get like a stem. And I'm going to just go in front of the cedar and place it in to make it look full and give it that Christmassy look. Now it's time for my decorative Christmas tree stems. And you can find whatever goes best with you. It's great to go to like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and just get something, just, you know, it's just a whole creation of stuff on a stem. Now you can create it yourself. It's almost like making a boutonniere, a larger boutonniere, but this, I just went and got some that were already made because I know that it's just easy. And hey, you put 2 of them in there in front of your lovely creation to give it more of a Christmassy look. And there you go. Oh my gosh, wasn't that so simple, and it looks so elegant. So I hope this was a great, or let's say easy tutorial for you, and create some beautiful arrangements. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.